I'm very happy with the decision to send my kids to the Gaelscoil. I've never regretted it once. The academic advantages of learning through Irish, as well, having the second language, but also sort of the sense of community within the school. The teachers were great. I came to the open day long ago and it just seemed so welcoming and friendly and a really comfortable place to be. I did wonder at first, because I was coming from England. I'd not been in the country for more than a few years, and I did wonder whether the language would be a difficulty for me more so than for the child, but I was reassured very strongly by friends of mine that it wasn't the case, and that in actual fact most of the parents of children in the Gaelscoil don't speak fluent Irish themselves anyway. I would definitely recommend the Gaelscoil to other parents considering sending their children to an Irish speaking school. It's a fantastic school. In Gaelscoil Mhainistir and Corann, there's more than just the classes and the academic side of things. It's very much a big community. There's a lot of extracurricular things going on, a lot of activities, and we have a wonderful new building and a new facility. Our Parents Association, which is called Corann, is very active. We do a lot of fundraising. All the parents are welcome to join, and we really appreciate the contribution that the parents make to the school. Corann helps fundraise for things like the Healthy Eating Week, and we come in and we chop fruit for the children. We help out with the swimming lessons and dance lessons for the Céilí in Seacht na Gaeilge. We help out with Grandparents' Day and coffee mornings and raffles, and we host a Halloween disco every year, which the kids absolutely love.